So hi guys, again, this is Christine Salazar, your sales consultant here in Peak Motors sa Abad Santos. So bagong buwan guys, bagong promo na naman tayo and isha-share ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung updated promo natin for the month of July 2024. So in this video guys, I'll be sharing with you also kung ano yung pricing natin for the 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force. So stay tuned guys para malaman nyo na kung ano yung promo, discount, and mga exclusive freebies na pwede nyong ma-avail kapag kumuha kayo dito sa amin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Pero bago ang lahat guys, huwag niyo na rin kalimutang i-like, share, and subscribe itong aking YouTube channel. So as you can see guys, kompleto yung color variant natin or color option natin for the Mirage G4 variant. So start tayo with the 2024 Mirage G4 GLX manual transmission. It retails for 769,000. Then all-in down payment natin via BDO, BPI, Security Bank, and RCBC is 10,000. So, by the way, guys, hindi ko na i-declare kung magkano yung down payment natin for this, yung monthly amortization natin for this unit as we are offering different monthly amortization sa iba't ibang bangko. So, kung ano yung bank na mag-approve natin, that's the only time pa lang na makapagbibigay ako sa inyo ng exact monthly amortization. So, yung Mirage G4 natin, meron tayong free 2 months amortization for selected banks. Then, for the Mirage G4 GLX CVT, SRP niya is 819,000. Then, we are offering for as low as 0 down payment or 30,000 all-in down payment. So, ayun nga guys, either 0 down payment or free 2 months lang tayo sa Mirage G4. Pero may ilang mga bangko ang nag-o-offer pa din ng 0 down payment with free 2 months. Ayan. So, ito is the gray, red, and silver. So, ayan yung mga units natin. So, for the Mirage D4 GLS CVT, which is yung ating top of the line, it retails for 899,000 and option 1 will be 0 down payment. Then, option 2 is 32,000 all-in down payment. So, yung option 1 natin, guys, limited banks lang yung nag-a-approve for the 0 down payment and pre 2 months amortization. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa ating screen kung ano-ano yung mga bangko na pwedeng mag-approve sa inyo for the 0 down payment. Dito naman tayo, guys, sa ating Expander variant. We have here the Expander GLX manual transmission. So, it retails for 1,068,000. Then, all-in down payment is 24,000 para dun sa mga banks natin nag-offer ng low down payment promo. And for other bank approval, 59,000 all-in down payment. So, for the Expander GLX Automatic, it retails for 1,128,000. Down payment natin would be 39,000 for RCBC and Security Bank. Then, 71,000 naman for other banks. So, yun nga guys, meron tayong dalawang option still para sa mga nag-offer ng low down payment promo and yung mga nag-offer nung standard down payment natin. So, even non-depositor, pwede po kayong mag-apply and nag-a-approve din naman sila. So, no need to worry guys if, kunyari, if East West Depositor, if PNB Depositor kayo, pwede kayong mag-apply dito sa amin and pwede ko kayong ipa-approve doon sa mga bangko na nag-offer ng low down payment promo. So, going back sa Expander GLS Automatic naman, ayan, ito Expander GLS ito guys. Then, papakita ko sa inyo yung i-release ko. So, for the Expander GLS Automatic, ito i-release natin to tomorrow. It retails for 1,216,000. Then, all-in down payment niya updated for the July 2024 is 43,000. RCBC, BDO, BPI, and Security Bank. Then, 77,000 naman for other bank approval. Ayan. So, for white, guys, additional 15,000 tayo sa SRP. So, gagalaw lang yung monthly and down payment natin ng a little bit lang. So, going back, doon naman tayo sa ating Expander Cross. So, for the Expander Cross, we have two-tone and monotone. So, this one is two-tone, which is sunrise orange. So, for the 2025 Expander Cross na monotone, it retails for 1,346,000. And lowest down payment natin for this unit would be 48,000. And for other banks naman is 86,000. So, for the Sunrise Orange, 1,356,000 yung SRP. 50,000 yung all-in down payment for RCBC, Security Bank, BDO, and BPI. Then, 88,000 naman if other bank. So, same with the Expander GLS, additional 15,000 for the Quartz White Pearl. So, yan yung mga available units dito sa aming stockyard. So, as you can see, sobrang luwag ngayon dahil kakatapos lang ng month end. So, congrats po sa mga nakapag-avail last June 2024. So, para sa mga gustong mag-avail this July 2024, message lang po kayo sa amin ni Joey Boy pa. So, for the Triton, guys, we have here the Triton GLX manual transmission. It retails for 1,311,000. Lowest down payment would be 71,000. Then, from other banks is 107,000. So, again, yung monthly amortization is nakadepende po sa kung anong bangko yung mag-a-approve sa atin. So, for the monthly amortization, if meron na kayong existing approval, please do message me para mabigyan ko po kayo ng exact computation. So, for the Triton GLX Automatic, SRP is 1,383,000. Then, yung lowest down payment natin is 78,000. And approval naman from other banks, 116,000. So, ayan. So, this one is color gray. Sobrang luwag ng stockyard namin, nakakapanibago. Yan. So, shoutout nga po pala sa i-release natin bukas, Sir Darnell Peralta from Tarlac City. So, we have here naman, guys, the Triton GLS Automatic. It retails for 1,582,000 and lowest down payment is 99,000. Then, from other banks naman is 143,000. So, wala lang tayong available na display ng, na available unit here is sa stockyard namin ng Triton Athlete. But for the Triton Athlete, it retails for 1,915,000. Then, down payment natin is 177,000 for option 1. 225,000 naman for option 2 or for other banks. Ayan. So, for the L300, guys, is SRP niya, 1,032,540. Ma-avail nyo siya for as low as 15,000 for the option 1 and 55,000 naman for option 2 or approval from other banks. Ayan. Then, punta naman tayo sa ating X-Force. Yan. So, for the X-Force na GLS variant, it retails for 1,367,000. Then, down payment niya would be 125,000. So, ayan, guys. So, for the GT naman, it retails for 1,581,000. Down payment niya would be 237,000. So, ayan. Sa mga gustong mag-avail ng X-Force, we are open for reservation na po. So, for the Montero GLX manual naman, guys, we are offering as low as 0 down payment. Yun, extended pa rin yung 0 down payment natin. And for the Montero GLS Automatic, it retails for 1,899,000 and pwede nyo siyang ma-avail for as low as 99,000 down payment or 152,000 down payment for other banks. So, for the Montero Black Series, which is yung 2025 natin na 4x2, it retails for 2,162,000 and lowest down payment would be 187,000. Approval para sa RCBC, BDO, BPI, and Security Bank. Then, option 2 naman, other banks is 239,000. So, ayan. So, para sa mga gustong mag-avail, guys, please do message me sa aking mga contact numbers na indicated dito sa screen. So, Viber, WhatsApp, both team, or Messenger, pwede nyo akong i-message. Available ako lahat sa mga messaging app na yan. And pwede nyo rin akong i-visit dito sa aming showroom sa Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos and look for Christine Salazar. So if meron pa kayong for quotation or meron kayong tinatarget na down payment or monthly amortization na kailangan, message nyo na ako guys para mabigyan ko kayo ng computation. So ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!